Pussy,
brother.
pussy,
Brother, all right,
pussy.
brother.
Oi, eat that boy. Yo, what you not eat? Relax yourself, brother.
Man,
Call off the
man,
answer.
fi find
Call
your
off.
stuff so 40 ball in your head for you.
You feel sad. You feel sad. And I happen to feel happy right now, man. My stepson. Because you're a fool.
Brother, don't worry yourself, brother. Brother, watch out, brother.
Boy,
Brother,
ease
what you say,
yourself,
brother?
man.
Don't worry yourself, brother. When you say when you
Juvenile.
talk to my
Stop
youth, I
going up
talk,
the
you
man
talk.
pitney.
Anything you say, that you mean.
Stop going
All
up the
right,
man pitney,
no,
boy.
watch out.
I'm
Don't
a
worry
breeder
yourself,
girl.
brother.
Clinton. Clinton.
Brother, don't worry
Clinton.
yourself, brother.
Oh,
Brother,
Clinton.
watch out, brother.
Clinton.
Stop
Don't
My
worry
going up the
yourself,
man
stepson.
brother.
pitney, boy.
My stepson.
Waste
Brother,
man.
don't
Yeah,
worry
hear that?
yourself, brother.
My stepson spoil
Waste
Clinton.
boy
Ease
over there so
yourself,
we
man.
attack. Stop going
My
up the man
stepson
youth.
spoil Clinton. My stepson spoil. Make him anything my
Brother,
man.
one
Money
thing me a
spent
beg you,
for
no,
him.
brother. Watch out, brother.
You hear
Brother,
that?
me a beg you, do
Alicia
you, no,
see
brother.
waste
Brother,
man
watch
ya.
out.
We
Let me
say the
see. Brother,
baby
show
are
your
no
face now,
feed me
box,
for
so me
that
see how,
the
brother.
belly.
Brother, show your face now, box, so me see how, brother.
My
Cause me
man said,
tell
don't
my
show my
baby mother this,
face.
you know, brother. Watch out.
My
Me
woman
don't
said,
know me
don't
go
show my
deal with her, you
face.
know. She
Woman said,
not fool
don't
worry
show my
herself.
face.
Brother, watch out now.
Much
My
pit,
baby mother.
much
Make
pitney
Now,
her
watch
boy,
out
you
get
now.
it
add up
for
boy. Go
All
on,
right,
over
add
your
watch
up
out now.
one
man.
pitney.
Brother,
You look
watch
a
out now.
waste man.
All
Stop
right,
going up the
all
man
right,
pitney. How
all
much
right.
pitney out there
It's
can go
my
add up
next
Brother,
eh?
all
baby
right.
daddy.
Add up boy, you know, I go add up pitney.
Brother,
Waste
all
man
right,
boy.
brother. Brother, watch out now. All right.
Waste man. Stop going up the man youth over there. Look a
I'm my
Right.
waste
nice
man.
in-law.
I'm gonna
Eh?
breed
What you
again.
say?
Murder.
Go
What
and go
you
buy
say?
one pitney
What
boy.
you say? Anywhere
My
my
nice
youth, they are there, you're there.
in-law.
Eh?
My big
And are
sweet
you
dad.
respond to my youth? Eh? What you
Alright,
say? Are
clean,
you
clean.
respond to my
Bad.
youth?
Clean, man,
Eh?
no pressure. Man, no pressure. Take time
Ah,
clean.
that
Man, no
me I say,
pressure. Come see.
A boy
no, no
gone.
worry
A boy
yourself.
if he stop.
But
A
No,
just
no
boy if
have
he
worry
more
stop
of
yourself,
our
going
brother.
up
something
man
to tell you.
pitney.
Brother,
You
no
know,
worry
some of
yourself,
them
brother.
our own in.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see happen, my natural talent. Man, me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple me.
Psalms 55 and verse 17. Evening and morning and at noon I will pray and cry out loud, and he shall hear my voice. Amen. The key to making it big is to get comfortable with the idea of making mistakes and a few setbacks. It's a part of learning. It's a part of the package. No progress comes without getting started. Those who are afraid of being awkward are those who always win. And let me tell you something again. The biggest cage is waking up each morning, leading the same life day after day. Staying stuck at the same place is the worst you can do to your dreams. Regrets of not trying to be at a better place will be much greater than the regret of failing. It isn't too late to start. So guess what? We're going to start right now. You see that right foot that you want to step and step over there? Step. Go ahead, step. Do what you have to do. If it means you have to leave your partner and find a new partner, but then again, nothing good, no, they still in them, I tell the truth. But sometimes, you have to shake off some people from around you and get some new people around you in order for you to see the way. Trust and believe. Well, go on, my people. Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing all right. It is Sunday, Radio News International Sunday. Yet another Sunday, me get up and find myself alive. Every day above ground is a blessing. Awesome is to be amongst the living, and surely. Not amongst the dead. Give thanks to life and the gathering. People, me still a better, me now win. Somebody can send me some pics. No, sir. It's like them a take all of my money. Big old dirty thinking just bet. All of my money them I get. Me don't know how forgot power I got. Me just all bad. But anyway, listen to me now, listen to me keen, you know. See this TCN thing, yeah? It a gonna make people lose their life, you know. For the people that gonna set me, never have no sense, I'm gonna burn down the people them place. Mighty God. Just for years, say, nobody now go over there go stay. Allies. And I know me say so. But then again, we can't do to believe everything sleepy says still, you know, but Sleepy come out, come say, them that have no arrangement with the people them.
But first of all, there's been an ongoing story about third country nationals in St. Mary. And firstly, there are no third country nationals in our country who have been sent here by anybody, by the United States government at all. In addition to that, they have indicated a particular villa Airbnb operation as a location where they're staying. That, of course, is totally false. However, the story was indicated on one of the 7:30 news is that it's the venue that they'll be host. We have no such arrangement. We have had no discussion with the facility. In fact, nobody in the ministry is aware of it. I gather from parochial connection that it's an Airbnb facility. We have no discussion about putting anybody there and placing any immigrants in that facility. The story has caused significant distress, and we're asking the media to withdraw it because they have been threats sent to the facility to come to ask them to destroy the place. There's significant backlash in the community about that. We have an MOU with the United States, which will, when executed, we will ensure the Jamaican citizens kept informed. There's no need to use a irresponsible call like that. That creates a lot of social tension out there, and the possibility of actually creating mischief by individuals who are concerned attacking a business facility, a legitimate business facility. That is not responsible action. The ministry will keep the country informed at any time, and the media is free to call the communication department of the Ministry of National Security and Peace for information whenever any such mischief is being carried out.
And people, remember when they tell us they're not supposed to follow Andy Spot, they're supposed to follow the credible sources, the paper, the Gleaner, the Star, the Observer, and they're supposed to watch on the TV, CVM and TVJ, if you don't want credible information. Remember, say them telling the saying, I don't say me the people that are going to turn in and see sleepy come out, come say, nothing don't go so. They know who are going to follow now. Remember, they not follow me, only listen to me and they not pay me no mind. You understand? Who know answer, who not follow. But catch your bunks now, people. What if the St. Mary people them the bigger fool, even though they're fool for true, you know? Go burn down the people them Airbnb. Who would have built it back? The people them, the credible sources, would have built it back? That is what that's why I stick to the thing that you know, like people business and leave the little things there alone, you know. But I will keep on informed. Just as how the accident of the two youth them burn up by the PJ Patterson Highway. Because some woman me call and I'm registered at the traffic department and the man say, my you know, say a police fan down the board and the board them decide say, yo, they're going to run from police. After, you know, I rob them go rob. I say, wait a minute. What you mean by the boy them go rob? Them say, yes, my view. And a red bank go rob one minimart and I run from police that end up crash and burn up and dead. Well done. Well, them get exactly what them deserve. People like them are supposed to cheer for. What you are going for a war going now? The man left all the way from Dominica come to Jamaica come dead. Carlos plays him a 30-year-old, him a one power plant operator. You don't know what say. Carlos decides him a go drive in the car fast and foolish. And clot up in a man vehicle, you know, people. Kill off himself. Now the man a battle for fame life right in the hospital. All of this happen down at Hanover side. Big motor vehicle accident, you understand? Right on the Point Main Road, right in Hanover. Leave off for the ends now, and guess the go on, power go on. That lady up on the screen, she dead. It's sad. It's sad for no say Sherine Davidson lost her life. Go here.
Cara Spring say no. Yeah, the future woman and kill him to rat. Yeah man, the woman kill the woman over there. Cover.
Yeah, my number.
Cover the rat.
Yo, Ruben, the energy is.
Yo. The woman chest chop out of there, man. The woman neck broke everything, man. You know, fire car looking for. I told me no one find behind me. The people are going to have no fire car looking for right now, roughly about 30 feet he can't lick him go and send him over the south. 30 to 35 feet and send him over the south.
Stuff like that, that's alright.
iPhone full.
Serious licking, man.
No, I say one cooler.
Hey, everybody want whole heap of sleeping police and stoplight what has someone cut it on, man. Kill a young woman. Taxi, I got taking a man. I show a whole heap of people. You don't want to see people there.
And just like that, another wife and another mother, or should I say another side piece, of walk across the road. And the car just licked down Sherine, kill Sherine, just like that, you know, people. Yes, now the picture with Sherine lie down, broke right up. Although I see it can forward, come look at it. But what you going for, what go on now? Remember me tell us the people, them say, yo, the body where them find, a Muffy body, well, Muffy name Paul Dixon. I remember I said from 2022, he missed, you know, people. And I know then just a find one body. When me ask them, oh, you know, say a Muffy body. Here, them, you know, so we see one belt, the Muffy normally are wear. So if we see that belt there, we know say it have to be him. Anyway, the people them who want a bone for bury and them feel like say a phone of family member, just go and go bury that they bone there. Alright, 10 to now one. Come on now. Look how me see my phone and I look for the caller. What only popping from SP? Me see a call me. I want another panda where them want so me answer fast. Me I say, what is it now? Is it that police skill Ryan? Or them get trouble one injection and he finally dead? Them say now my a little bit of mix up stop which dead for the people them pitney. Me say them supposed to dead because them are criminal. Both of them. Them say my that we call about. So me say, what is it to know what now? When I beg, coming on no figure when I sat them say no my so who I tell you understand because you to say I paid them is no paper. Him a gunman. Me say who a gunman? Them say Shaquille Johnson. Big gunman. Not a painter. Me say I mean by Shaquille a gunman. My view you don't know where me say no where I know him from. Them say my view. A riot this baby father, after when the SP was say about gunman, him a gunman for church. If you don't believe him, if you ask foot hype, because when foot hype brother did that feeling in the car, but him they do it. Me say for real, them say yes, my view. Tell the police them say watch your gun power gun, that case say I'm close now. Jesus Christ, SQ people know everybody business. Them know everybody business, you know, but me know for business them don't know. Me know for business them don't know. Them don't know the youth business of Spanish town and the police them ripped down and kill yesterday. Come let me tell you exactly where go on, power go on, because them a little boy are not going to stop until the whole of them dead off. Why you not learn? Why is it to not learn? All I know still itch up back and run and make it all out no dead. Remember me tell you people, them a try check your crown now, you understand? One set get it gun and then they send their friend to go to the dirt thing. How that go on, power go on, you know? Because remember me tell you, say, when them the old black is in, run that for push out gun. Remember me tell you that, don't it? So anytime them push out gun, somebody dead. Well, the youth finally dead now. Right now that signal me yesterday. We don't want to catch you once I know we're going, me I go tell you now. Remember, good brother come and tell a lie pan nobody just come to tell you we're going, power go on. We never see them yesterday and ball game and go on. And GRUNG get red card. I think that John Wick him the one name, but because him can't spell John, he got decide for name himself Grand, because everybody can spell grandma and grandpa, you understand? So boom, him give himself the name GRUNG Wick. GRUNG Wick get red card. GRUNG Wick them a real gunman in a real life. Them have gun and them a go and do one whole heap of foolishness. There was something that set a boy run them around there and do one whole heap of foolishness. And at the same run program for the youth and get rid of the youth. The gun where them give the other day, and that gun there. I tell us anytime gun give away, you know. Boy, you go there, you know. Just as how, in a last week, you know, I'm going to come tell him about a wait. Me that wait for the police them to kill him, you know. But the police them not kill him yet. The police them lock down the place and look for big bike, you know. Big bike, I go there, you know. But run, remember Pet Girl and Paula. Remember Pet Girl, Paula and Blackie, you know. You understand? Remember them, you know. Run, remember them. You see how much time you want you. Remember. You there? A Bahamas cannot go cross all now because you're afraid. Roto, go pay some man for land for lick you down, man. You talk about, yo, I'm afraid for go cross, you know, because remember, say Uncle Dan Alabama boat out there, you know. I mean, I really have the money for go up on the big boat. I just a little boat them I want to go cross. Yeah. You must last a see, you know. Me say you have to last a see for all of the foolishness them what you do. How much more youths, Plaka and Rado, Congo, Shango, all of them go sit down and make run, push out. Eh? How much more youths? How much of the gun them about him and him pupa and know how them buy? Who not go make him continue to give police it for put pan boy picnic? How much more? And how much more look idiot boy I go sit down and wait for dead. Because that's all you do, you know. Una wait for dead. You know what they say? I never block him, I say, Thumper, I say. You know what they say when they go for Thumper? When he call the man, tell the man, boy, yo, if Thumper dead, you say, I want to do. I want to lick some shot off a police, the police come out, what the man them say? Man them say, when they depend that with you. When Tata said, I want to fire some shot, you talk about no gun, nothing lift up. When Funky Cow dead, I will say, we go bust some shot, you say, no gun, nothing lift up. When I lift up no gun for your family. People, look how the man them kill Paula. I said the man them kill Paula. I don't think she got dead by natural cause because this a boy here where she have, we are give so much problem and I sell out so much of the youth them to police. God alone know, man. Youths, be wise. Youths, be wise. So much time I come here, I can go one, you know. Watch the company when you keep. See a man them are telling you to jump. And the same man them a save themselves and make uno a dead. How much more youths have to die? Nobody does say biscuit them and silver them and them look how youth them. None of them can talk to run. Oh, one of the silver there. Okay, I'm afraid to come back to you. If you come back, he might dead, you know. None of them can talk to run. Eh? None of them can talk to run. Big man just to sell out Tesha, you run up there with palm boat. You can't talk to run. Eh? You can't talk to run. None of them can talk to him. When I wait until you reach phone do some other phone family member where I've no going out there, don't it? Then I go say, John, no, sorry, little boy, you know, mash up the system, you know. The system done gone to the dogs, you know. The system done gone to the dogs. But how much more youth? We're not going to make him push out. How much more gun him going to give away. Only time will tell, and I'll be here to let the people them know we're going, we're going. Wait now, because I know say no one going to eat on the breakfast and no good like because I say, man, if you home and then later when I would see you put up a picture, just wait, man, I don't want to put up a picture later, man. Why not run down pictures? So, I say, I know little boy them, you know. All the little boy them have gun, I know them, I know which side them rep for. Remember, say this a boy old PMP long time, you know. We are dealing with wealthy thing, you know. Just because the man them they go so boom and so look a friend killing thing they go on. And then decide to watch them and they not pardon them and they understand a rider them go so boom and call him cross. Yes, you must name a call now. A problem in a punish down, you know. Rider them call him cross and a rider them start par. You understand? Go foreign, get catchy with, come back a yard. Me I go tell you the whole drama little more, man. Naturalus. Run make man kill your friend. Run make man kill your right hand. Run make the police them kill him. The police them know say I saw it go for true. Them can't come say a lie. But anyway, I soon come back people. Bounce my breakfast and then become good in your side story. But John Wick, aka Fully Duns, dead.
Thanks for watching. This was a MyView TV production. Remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, tell a friend for tell a friend, and remember, never bring nobody forward for cheer for him. Walk good.